announcement है, जो declarations कि मणिपुर को unity and integrity of the state of Manipur will not be touched even when we try to bring peace in the state of Manipur. तो ये मणिपुर पीपल्स का पब्लिक का जीत है और भाजपा का जीत है. देखिए ये just most of the time why I also do talk and say कि Manipur will not be divided, integrity of the state will be maintained. So after meeting Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji and Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji, like leader in the center, I myself got a confidence कि हाँ, this party, these leaders are definitely going to protect our territorial integrity of the state of Manipur. That is why I frequently I do say whenever the press meet or some the meetings took place. So BJP now, after hearing the statement given by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji, one of the most powerful in the Indian government, now people of the state has convinced and they have started believing. Seeing is believing, that when they saw, they heard personally the words from the Honorable Union Home Minister. Now, from today onward, I'm telling you, from today onward, the ratio of the BJP caricature will be increased like anything. And the winning of these 2 seats is compulsory.
NRC chananba honanabagi damakta biometric logdana, eye scanning logdana, deport over horiba Prime Minister Modi ahumlok sunaba thagachi habida vote pi de aduga NRC yaroi haba kambu the vote pi kriye. अखोई की बीजेपी की कांगू से सोंदी सन्मान लिखे विश्वजित ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ना पार्लियामेंट अहुम रंगांगी बदो स्वाइद नंगांगी है बदो नंगमन लगे सत्खी बकोई आई याम नुआई देशे